Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. Dear student, I am Belan Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of Day Shift of National Ideal Universal School. Dear student, today our topic is chapter 10, page 126. Okay, and lecture number 19, HW number 18. HW number 18. Today I will solve two word problems which is taken from your book, page number 126. The question number 4, this is the question number 4, and this is the question number 5. Okay, you see, this is the question number 5. So at first I will solve the question number 5. Okay dear student, at first I will solve the question number 5. You read the questions. The distance from Orun's house to his uncle's is 9.8 kilometers. That means uncle's house. Yes, he walks 950 meters to the bus stop. Then he moves 6.5 kilometers on a bus. How long remains to go to uncle's house? Express in kilometer and meter. Okay. Look, now I will solve the solution right here. The distance from Orun house to Orun's house to his uncle's house nine point eight kilometer. 9.8 kilometer. Now I will convert this kilometer to meter. So 9.8 into, we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So I will convert now kilometer to meter. Okay, I told you 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So you have to multiply this by 1000 and right here this is the meter. Short form of meter is small letter m. Now look, 9.8, you see 9.8. You pick the point. You pick this point. For point you take 1. For 8 you write here 0 and 1000. Okay, this is the meter. You see, then it 200. Now 9800 meter. Okay, that means 800 meter. Now look, he walks 950 meters to the bus stop, right? He walks 950 meters to the bus stop. Look, this is 950 meter. You write here meter. 950 meter. Okay, this is same. No need to convert this. And you see, then he moves 6.5 kilometer on a bus. Okay, then he moves 6.5 kilometer. Right, he moves also he moves 6.5 kilometer on a bus. Now I will convert this kilometer to meter. So same case, 6.5 into 1000 multiplied by 1000 and write here meter. You may give here clue 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Now you have to multiply 6. Again you see 4 point, you write here 1 for 5 0 1000 meter. This is equal to what? Divide, then 2 0 left. You see 1 0 1 0 finished. Then how many zeros left? 2 zeros. Now 65 into 100. That means meter. Okay. That means 6500 meter he moves by bus. Now you write Arun travels on foot and by bus. Arun travels on foot and bus. Right here in total, then this is in total Arun travels on foot and by bus. You see on foot how many kilometer? 950 meter. 950 meter plus, and by bus 6500 meter. Dear student, now you have to add. If you confuse with this addition, you do like this way: 6500 950. Adding now. Okay. Now write here 7450 meter. Okay. Now what is the questions? Now again you see the question, how long remains to go to uncle's house? Okay, how long remains to go to uncle's house? That means, dear student, in total Arun's travel on foot and by bus in meter. Then how many distance are left to go his uncle's house? Okay. Right here. Right now the distance from Arun house to his uncle's house you see the distance from Arun house to his uncle's house, this 9800 meter. Okay, and Arun, in total Arun travels, right, in total Arun travel, in total Arun travels how much? 7450. Right here 7,450 meter. Now write left distance. Now you have to subtract. Okay? You have to subtract this. 0 minus 0, 10 minus 5, 5. You have 1. 5, 8 minus 5 equal to 3. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. And our unit is meter. Dear student, again you see the question. Express in kilometer and meter. This is expressing on meter. Now you have to convert this into kilometer. Okay, dear student. Now see, the left distance is 2,350 meter. Okay. Now right here also 2350 meter. This equal to 2350 by 1000. Right here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Dear student, you see this is the small unit. We want to go small unit to greater unit. Then you divide. Okay. And what is the relation between meter and kilometer? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. That means you put the point after 3 digit from right to left. You see how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you put the point after 3 digit from right to left. From right to left. Look, 2, 3, 5, 0 kilometer. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you have to write the answer. Write the answer. Answer 2.350 kilometer and 2350 meter. Okay. This is our required result. Okay, dear student. Now I will solve the question number 4. Dear student, at first you read the question. You read the questions. Question number 4. Shampa drank 340 milliliter of water for breakfast, 380 milliliter for lunch, and 340 milliliter for dinner. How much water did she drink? How much water did she drink in total? Express in milliliter, deciliter, liter. Dear student, ml that means milliliter, milliliter. DL that means deciliter. L means liter. Okay. Now write solution. Shampa drank for breakfast 380 milliliter. Okay, Shampa drank water. You write here Shampa drank water. Shampa drank water for breakfast 380 milliliter. For dinner, dear student, Shampa drank water for breakfast 340 milliliter. 340 milliliter. Right here 340 milliliter. For lunch 380 milliliter. Okay, and for dinner 340 milliliter. Okay, dear student. Shamba drank water for breakfast 340 milliliter, and for lunch 380 milliliter, and for dinner 340 milliliter. Now add 0, 16, you have 1 in your hand, that means 1060 milliliter. Okay, right here total. Dear student, you see I have sensed the digit here. Okay, in this question I have sensed the digit. Okay, you remember this because you have to practice. Now this is our record result, but you have to convert this into deciliter and liter. Look, right, we know 100 milliliter equal to what? 1 deciliter. Okay, we know 100 milliliter equal to 1 deciliter. Okay, therefore 1060 milliliter equal to 1060 by 100. Right here deciliter. 1, 2. Okay, that means 1060 deciliter. Okay, you see 2 zeros, so you put the point after 2 digit 1, 2. Okay, again we know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, we know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore 60 milliliter equal to 1060 by 1000 is equal to what? You see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means 1.060 liter. This will be liter. Dear student, look, I will convert now milliliter to liter. Milliliter to liter. Look, 1060 milliliter. Okay, now I will convert this into liter. So I will divide this by 1000, because when you want to go smaller unit to bigger unit, then we divide. Okay, and what is the relation between liter and milliliter? We know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, L means liter. Look, 1, 2, 3. That means you put the point after 3 digit from right to left. Look, 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now write the answer. Write the answer. What do you write the answer? 1060 milliliter. Then 10.60 deciliter and 1.060 liter. Okay, dear student, today our class up to this. Now I want to talk with you about our HW. Dear student, you see the chapter 10 HW number 18 CBQ 2. I think you have got the suggestions. You see the suggestions. Okay, from this suggestion I have written this CBQ. Look, you see the stamp, then you read the question. What is the distance between two houses expressed in meter? Okay. B number, how many distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus? C number, how long remains to go to uncle's house expressed in kilometer? Dear student, you look here, you see the question number 5. For this reason, I didn't change this question. I have solved this question such a way that you can solve that CBQ so in each way. Look, according to the first question, I have written this kilometer into meter. The B number question, I have written like this way. That means in total, Arun travels on foot and by bus 7,450 milliliter. That means up to this is B number, and this is same as A number. And the last part, this is the question number C. Okay, this is the question number C. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Okay, and remember, you have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Okay, dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.